In this video, I will show you 2 ways to duplicate your drawings in Blender. So let's start off with a circle. And let's duplicate this circle in 2 different ways. So we can start off by going to edit mode. And then you can left click drag to select. And then press Shift D to duplicate. And then you can press S to scale the duplication. Okay, so let's press Ctrl Z. And now I'm going to show you the other way of duplicating the drawing. So let's go into draw mode. And then go into the modifiers. And then we can add the array modifier. Then let's increase the count and the offset. And then we need to go into object mode. And then apply the modifier. And then go back to draw mode. As you can see, when we erase some of it, we can now edit all of these duplications.